Alright guys, so in this video I will be showing you what I eat all throughout the day to stay lean, as well as a push day vlog. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now. If you want to connect with me personally, follow my Instagram with the link in the description for more interesting content, and just DM me because I always respond to every single DM and comment on my posts. So with that being said, without any further delay, let's get started with the meal number one, which is going to be bran sticks with protein shake. Alright guys, so I've just finished my breakfast. It was a good breakfast. I had 53 grams of bran sticks with 100 ml of full cream milk and 1 scoop of protein powder. That was around 40 grams. The overall macros for my breakfast was 408 calories and 40 grams of protein. So I'll just get some work done now, and after that I'll be moving on to the second meal of my day, which is gonna be my lunch, and it is kangaroo pasta. Alright guys, so that was today's lunch. Now obviously, if you do not live in Australia, finding kangaroo meat is impossible, so you don't need to worry about it. You can just use chicken mince instead. It tastes basically the same. I had 125 grams of mince, 125 grams of raw pasta, and 100 grams of canned tomatoes. The overall macros for this meal was 657 calories and 40 grams of protein. And after this meal I will get some work done, and then just before going to the gym I will have one apple with black coffee. That's my pre-workout meal, and after that I will have my dinner. So I'll see you at the gym. Alright guys, so I've reached the gym now. I have completed with my warm-up, which was, the routine, the same exercise with lesser weights. Gradually progressed on towards my main set, which is going to be of 7.5 kgs. I'm going to aim for 13 reps this time because that's how much I did last time. But I'll try to do 14, but we'll see how that goes. 12 or 13, because last time I cheated my way a little too much. So here we go with the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, feels good. 5, 6. Come on. 7. Come on. 7, 8. Whew. 9. Come on, 2 more. 10. Gonna try to keep my form as strict as possible. Come on, one more. Gonna try for a few partials now. Oh, that was intense. Oh, okay, now it's time for the left arm. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Whew. Whew. 7, 8. Come on. I got this. Come on. 3 more. Whew. 9. Slow eccentrics. Controlled reps. Always. 10. Come on. One more. Come on. I got this. Whew. Ah, yes. That was an amazing set. So I didn't do partials with my left arm because my left arm is already stronger than my right arm. So as I had already mentioned in my previous push day vlogs that I will push my right shoulder beyond failure because I had a major muscle imbalance. But now that muscle imbalance is gone, so I'm all set. Now next I will see you at the chest press. Sorry, what? Chest fly machine. Okay, so I have completed with my shoulder exercise and now I'm gonna be moving on to chest flies. Yes, I stopped with the upper chest flies because I think this is more comfortable than the upper chest flies because that was number one unilateral and it was just too time consuming, and number two, it was less comfortable as compared to this exercise. Well, I tried it out for a couple of weeks and I would prefer this. So with that being said, I will start my first set with 70 kgs, going to aim for 13 reps because that's how much I did last time. And with that being said, here we go, focusing on slow and controlled reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna focus on that deep stretch. 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10. Let's go. Come on. 11. Yup. Come on. 12. One more. Come on. Let's go. Gonna try for one more. That was intense. Whew. Gonna do one more set of the same exercise with the same intensity, and then I will be moving on to the main pressing movement of my push day, which is the incline chest machine press, or incline machine chest press, or machine incline chest press, whatever that is. So I'll see you there. Alright guys, so now I am gonna do the main pressing movement of my chest day, which is gonna be the incline chest press. This is gonna be of 55 kgs with 12 reps because that's how much I did last time, and going to focus on getting a greater elbow flexion because more the elbow flexion, more the stretch component on the chest. So with that being said, let's get started with the first of the two sets. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, one more, one more. Slow eccentric. Ah, ah, ah. That was an intense set. Whew. Gonna focus on doing another set with the same form, same intensity. Gonna focus on stacking my wrist above my elbow at all times of the movement so that the maximum force applied by the chest is utilized in moving the weight upwards, if that makes sense. And after this, I will move on to overhead tricep extensions and then single arm standing cable kickbacks, both for 2 sets, and then we're done with our workout, and then I will head home and show you my dinner. All right guys, so we are completed with chest press machine, and now I am going to be moving on to overhead tricep extensions, 2 sets. Gonna aim for 11 reps. Let's see how that goes without any further delay. So here we go. Gonna focus on slow and controlled reps as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, this is much easier. 14. Come on. 15. Come on. Gonna try for one more. 15. 15 it is. So gonna get over with one more set of this, and then I will be moving on to standing cable tricep kickbacks, and then we are done with the workout. So I will see you at standing cable tricep kickbacks. Okay, standing cable tricep kickbacks. Here we go. 4.5 kgs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 13. 14. Next arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, come on, 13, 14. Whew. That was wonderful intensity, guys. Did not push it to extreme failure because I've already stimulated my triceps pretty much by doing overhead tricep extensions. So that's the main important part because that's what trains your tricep in their completely stretched state. So with that being said, my workout is complete. Now we'll go for a quick pump check. Alright guys, so those were all of my meals and I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you now have a better clarity as to how you should structure your diet, and all of the ingredients which I used in my daily diet, as you saw, are completely replaceable by other food items with the same macronutrients. For example, the kangaroo can be replaced by chicken, or the Turkish bread which I had can be replaced by the normal bread which you get in your grocery store. So that's not an issue at all. And if you want to connect with me personally, follow my Instagram with the link in the description. I always get back to every single comment or every single DM I get. Do not forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.